Hello.
Honorable Zaka.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning.
Please come.
Bola. Bola. Bola.
Good morning, sir. Pleasure.
Bola.
My pleasure, sir.
Bola. Come in. You will.
いやー、お会いできて光栄ですよ。
So it is a great honor to meet you, Your Honor.
Oh, same here, Chairman.
あ
Very nice to meet you.
ありがとうございます。本当にまずね、海洋会議。
Activities are very famous, even at the United Nations. They're talking about how active you are.
Oh,
素晴らしい。これからもやっぱ海洋問題はね、世界で最もこれから政府でやっていただくことになったのはなったんですよ。
30 years ago.
今政府でやっている。
You know, but until then, I was doing it under all of you this morning.
Thank you, Chairman. Thank you.
頭にかぶって戦った時かぶったヘルメットなジャパニーズヘルメットどっかヘルメットモトバイク ロングロングイヤーザーゴ
Long.
非常に力の象徴ですこれは
It is a show of power and authority. Because
スペシャルエンボイでやってま
I
す
am the special envoy of the Japanese government that resolved.
Oh, little present for you. I'm sure you've seen it before. This is the Warriors Club. But then it's peace now in Japan, so you don't have to use it on anyone.
はいいいね平和の象徴だ
10 have signed the ceasefire agreement. There are only 5 more.
I'm sure we will meet up there.
OK
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you
Thank you. Thank you. That was nice. Thank you.
11月10月
来年の9月ぐらいにラグビーワールドカップが開催するわけなんですけ